Hello, good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn about mechanism of photosynthesis. Basically what we know about photosynthesis take place in the leaf and chloroplast. Today we'll learn in detail about mechanism of photosynthesis. Coming to mechanism of photosynthesis, it is divided into two phases or two stages. That is night phase or dark phase, light reaction or dark reaction. Let us learn first about light reaction. Light reaction. What you know about light reaction? Light reaction is going to take place in the presence of light. That is why it is called as light dependent reaction or photochemical reaction. Light reaction take place in grana of chloroplast. The first step in the light reaction is light energy is going to light energy is going to observe in the form of photon by the thylakoids. Over here, disc-like structure over here, you can see that are thylakoids. The observed light energy is going to form in the form of photon. By the photon, it's going to split the molecule, which H2O, H2O, which gives you H plus and OH minus ions. OH minus ions. This reaction is called photolysis reaction. What it is called? Photolysis. Photolysis reaction. Photo means light, lysis means breaking. Photo means light, lysis means breaking. So light is breaking the water molecule, hence it is called as photolysis reaction, and also it is called as His reaction because this reaction was discovered by Robert Hooke. Now the question arises that what happens with OH minus ions and H plus ions. These OH minus and H H plus ions are going to crystallize, or step is going to convert it into water or oxygen. Water is either stored or either going to evaporate it by the process of transpiration, and oxygen is released out. Now coming to H plus ions and OH minus ions are undergo in the form of dark reaction. Finally ATP and NADPH forms. ATP and NADPH forms. These are called assimilatory powers. This is all about our light reaction. Okay, let's learn about now dark reaction. About dark reaction, light independent reaction. Um, Dark reaction, from the name we think that dark reaction will take place in the in the night time, but it is not like that. Dark reaction will take place in daytime simultaneously with the help of light reaction, but it is not dependent on light. Hence it is called as light independent reaction or biosynthesis phase. What it is called? Everyone, you can I repeat? I will repeat again. Light independent reaction or biosynthesis phase, because glucose, an inorganic compound, is synthesized. Dark reaction take place in the stroma of chloroplast. Now H plus ions and OH minus ions are going to form in light reaction. Okay, H plus ions which are formed in the light reaction picked up by NADP. Over here you can see it is going to absorb by NADP. NADP picks up the hydrogen which was formed in the hydrogen ions, which was formed in the light reaction, and it formed NADPH. Now hydrogen of NADPH will combine with the carbon dioxide. Over here CO2 you have rounded over C. CO2 will be combined with the carbon dioxide with the help of ATP. ATP is going to provide energy. ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate. So the hydrogen of NADPH combined with the carbon dioxide with the help of ATP, and finally it forms the sugar. Finally it forms sugar is nothing but glucose. The whole process is going to take place in series of steps. Finally the glucose is going to convert into starch. Now you can see the ADP over here. ADP is written over ADP and NADP, that is going to form in the dark reaction. Then it will go back to the light reaction. Final photosynthesis equation I will write over here. Final photosynthesis reaction: C6CO2 plus 12H2O. 12H2O, sunlight plus chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is nothing but a pigment in leaf. Green color pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, now I'll tell you the equation of glucose. C6H12O6 plus oxygen plus water is going to evaporate. That's all for today class. Hope you all understand. See you in the next class. Thank you.